Hey guys, today I'll be making peppermint hot chocolate bombs. Here are my ingredients. Let's start by melting the almond bark. I'm using 6 pieces of almond bark, which will usually make about 4 complete hot chocolate bombs. I have a Wilton chocolate melter. If you don't have this, just put your chocolate in a bowl and stick it in the microwave. Stir it every 30 seconds until it's melted. I have a silicone mold that I got from Walmart. I'm going to cut it, and I'm showing this step because a lot of people don't want to cut their molds, but I just find it easy to work with if you do. While my chocolate melts, I'm going to crush up my peppermint and break up my chocolate mints and use it later for toppings. Now my chocolate is all melted, so I'm going to fill my molds. I'm going to just move the bark all over, making sure it covers all the way to the top. Now some bark will settle at the bottom, but give it a few taps and you can dump some of that excess bark back in your bowl. Make sure you wipe around your mold to get rid of that spilled bark. Now I'm going to stick my bombs in the freezer for 3 to 5 minutes to settle. So they have hardened now. I'm going to add a second coat so I can make sure they don't crack when I take them out. Stick them back in the freezer for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now they are ready to pop out. Next, fill them with 1 tablespoon of York peppermint flavored hot cocoa or any hot cocoa mix that you want. And put as many marshmallows as you want. I like to put as many as I can. You just need a hot surface to put them together. I have a candle warmer covered with foil, or you can use a plate. Just put the plate in the microwave and use that. So you're going to take the empty half of the bomb and melt it down so it's even. Then put it on the top of the other half. And you can add bark around the seam to secure it better if you need to. Last step is decorating. I have some plain melted almond bark in a piping bag. I'm just going to drizzle that on top. And then I'm going to add my peppermint. Also, I'm going to use my chocolate mints, so you can put whatever toppings that you want. And I also put a little of the cocoa powder on top. You can top these any kind of way that you want. And there you go. They look delicious. Put them in a mug, add hot milk, and you have a fabulous cup of hot cocoa. So let me know if you tried this out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.